Good evening, student. This is Pramod Dikshit, who is going to tell you about how to use this Opac software or application. Opac meaning thereby the online public access catalog, and this is very good utility to reserve the books by sitting at your place. So let me tell you how to reserve the book first, because this is the only option which is slightly requires some sort of training, but the rest of are the self-explanatory. So before taking much time, I am just going to log in on the page. I am sure you must have installed this app on your mobile and click to log in here. Since I am not the bona fide employee of National PG College, so I have just created a dummy ID 1609 and password I'll give and submit. As soon as you log in, you will be seeing all these things: library notice and book search and reservation. So I'm not going to tell everything in detail. I just want to tell you that how to use book search and reservation. So first of all, you just click on that. So as soon as you click, you will land on this particular page right below the book name or author name you want to search. Let us assume I want to search a book on database. So I'm just writing the book on database, simply written in lowercase or uppercase or in camel case. It doesn't make any difference. You write in whatever fashion you want to write. Just search now. Click on search now and you will see number of database related books. Let's assume I want to select this database concept books and how to reserve this book. So it's very easy. All you need to do, you just click on the accession number. This is called accession number, COM-000106 is it's a accession number or barcode. If you click on that, you don't have to do anything. You simply click on that. As soon as you click, accession number will come here, database concepts book will come directly here. Now I want to reserve this book. So click on the reserve book. Now he reassure whether you want to reserve this book. I said yes, reserve now. As soon as your book, it give you a message, your book is reserved for 24 hours. Earlier we reserved only for 2 hours, but there are certain technical problems. So we resort to this place that we should reserve for 24 hours. You can have your reserved books issued within 24 hours. This message will be given to you. Now if you want to reserve another book, so you could just put the exit and it will take you to the once again to the book and search reservation. You once again come to this place, and now if you want to find a book on banking, so you just write a banking book and then search. So a lot of management of banking, insurance, corporate books and all something like that. So let's assume I want to book money banking, international trade and public finance. Just click once again. This is the hyperlink, and everywhere you can see that is a simple text, but once you reach there, you can have a hyperlink icon. Click on that. Now once again you get everything such as, and now you just put the reserve now. Reserve now once again reissued, and now it will give you, you can have your reserved books in 24 hours. In present scenario, you cannot book per day more than 2 books. Let us assume I want to book another as a book search, and this time I am going to search on operating system. So operating system, I click and I'll take the first book. Let us assume operating system design. I click on that. Now since I have already reserved 2 books, so it should say no, you cannot reserve, because you have already reserved 2 books per day. You cannot reserve more than 2 books, because so according to the new rules for the training this pilot software, we cannot get reserved more than 2 books. So as soon as you do, it will be a validation on that field, and you will see the message. Only 2 books can be reserved by per student per day, and per day more than 20 people cannot, 25 people cannot issue the book as well. So there are 2 constraints have been applied in this present application. Now you can cancel and exit here. Now if you want to see how these reserved books will look like in the library original software, which is in the library. If you want to see how library people see whether how many books you have reserved, so you just click on this reserved status in library software. So as soon as you click, you will see that my name, and there are 2 books, Money Banking, International Trade Finance, and Database Concept. 1440 is equal to 24 hours. So now the 3 minutes have passed for this book and 2 minutes was. So you can do one more thing. This is the way you can see your books. Similarly, other people will also reserve the books, so their name will also be present. So what you do, this is another feature. You can download this, because library people ask you, your name is not in the reserve list, so you can show, just this is I can show my name in the reserved book status. So if you download it, or if you don't want, you also click on the print as well. The print will not print, it will give you in a PDF format. So this is your name and all the things are stored. Okay, so you can download this file in your system or your your mobile app, and show in case of eventuality, because they say that you haven't reserved, and you can show that now I have already reserved. This is an additional feature which was not there in earlier version of this app. Okay, now you should go back, and these are the actually for the NAC purpose data storage. Login analysis, how many people have login on the aspect hill. Naturally I am the tester, so my name will be in more times. Similarly, date wise login, if you want login summary reports, so all these people have logged in on this thing. So it's a very easy thing, you just click and get the data. One request to all of you, please fill the feedback form, and in case if you want to find some problem, because it's not a final version, your feedback will be really very helpful to improve this Opac app. Thank you very much. This much I want to tell you. Okay, thanks a lot.